Teacher, I'm finished. Teacher, I'm finished. Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay, students, now let's check your answers from group number 2. Sangha, can you read your answers?
What time do you get up? I get up at 7 o'clock. What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 7:30. What time do you go to school? I go to school at 7 o'clock.
Okay, good job. Very good. From group number 3, can you read?
I go home at 1:50 o'clock. I have lunch at 2 o'clock. I do homework at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
Okay, interpret. Which sentence? Can you read again? I go home at 1:15. Again.
I go home at 1:50.
From group number 1, Kumar, can you read your sentence?
I watch TV at 7. What time do you watch TV? I watch TV at 7 o'clock. What time do you have dinner? I have dinner at 9 o'clock. I go to bed 11 o'clock.
Okay, Kumar, you go to bed at 11 o'clock, yes? Good, very good. Mustafa, can you read your sentence?
What time do you watch TV? I watch TV at 8 o'clock. What time do you have dinner? I have dinner at 9 o'clock. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Okay, good job. Students, now please count from 1 to 2. 1, 2.
1,
1,
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay, all ones. There are questions. Please come up. All ones, please stand up and come up to one question. All ones. Please stand here. And over there, 2 questions. Here, 1 question. And choose, please come here. Choose. Find your partners. Choose.
What time do you go home? I won't go home at 1:30. What time do you go home? I go home at 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock. What time do you do homework? I do homework at 1 o'clock.
What time do you play basketball?
I play basketball at 3 o'clock. What time do you get up?
I get up at 10 o'clock. What time do you get up?
I get up at 10 o'clock. What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7:30.
Okay, students, rotate. Rotate.
What time do you go to school? I go to school at I go to school at 7:50. What time do you go to school? I go to school at 8 o'clock. I do homework at 3. What time do you go home? I go home at 1 o'clock. What time do you go home? I go home at 11:30. I watch TV at What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 6. I watch TV at 5:20. What time do you watch TV? I watch TV at 5:20. What time do you watch TV? I watch TV at 2:10. Very good.
Rotate.
What time do you go to bed? I have breakfast at 9 o'clock. What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 7 I go home at 1.
Okay, students, sit down. Please sit down. Okay, what is this, students? Okay, it is a ball, yes?
Yes.
Questions. There are questions on the ball, and we will throw, catch a ball, and answer these questions. Okay, let's try. Mustafa.
What time do you play basketball? I play basketball at 5 o'clock.
Good job.
What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Very good. Moves.
What time do you get up? I get up at 10 o'clock.
Okay, very good.
What time do you go to school? I go to school at 7:30.
Okay, very good. Romain.
What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Okay, very good. Sam.
What time do you go to school? I go to school 7:30.
Okay, you go to school at 7:30, yes. Okay.
What time do you watch TV? I watch TV at 10 o'clock.
Very good. Nice one.
What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Again.
I
Go.
go to bed at 10 o'clock. What time do you get up? I get up at 7 o'clock.
What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 7:20.
What time do you go to school? I go to school at 7:30.
Very good. Nice one.
What time do you get up? I get up at 7 o'clock.
Very good.
What time do you go to school? I go to school 7:50.
Hadi.
What time do you play basketball? I play basketball at 3 o'clock.
What? You?
What time do you play basketball? I play basketball at 3 o'clock.
Hadi, can you repeat? Play.
Play.
Mustafa?
What time do you watch TV? I watch TV at 3 o'clock.
Okay, very good. Okay, students, now let's check. How many words did you memorize? Okay. Now I will take these words. How many? 1, 2, 3. You should say 3 words.
Get up, go to bed, play basketball.
Okay, very good. How many words? 3.
Have lunch, have breakfast, have dinner.
Okay, very good. Mustafa.
Watch TV, have dinner.
I get up.
Get up.
Get
1 word, yeah? Ali, did you take?
Play basketball, watch TV.
Okay, good.
Have dinner, watch TV.
Get up, do homework,
watch TV, have breakfast. Have breakfast. Go to bed. Go to school. Go home. Do homework. Get up. Go to bed.
Go to bed, get up, watch TV, play basketball, have breakfast.
6. Go to bed, go home, go to school, have lunch, have breakfast, watch TV.
Have dinner, have lunch, have breakfast.
Very good. Okay, now students, please, one student from each group, please stand up. Come up here. One student from each group. Okay. In front this group, one student. Okay, now please look at the board. Look at the board. I will say